Let me put on my headsets here to make sure everybody can hear me. Happy Monday. Maximize this Monday. The sun's not out here. Don't know if it's out where you are. Wow, great weekend. Great weekend. Hopefully y'all took listings because we need listings, right? We need listings. Let's see. Oh, man. There's no rest for the wicked, that's for sure. Make sure you can hear me here. Just a second. Sometimes. Yeah, okay. Well, I have had a whirlwind of a week with no air conditioning since Thursday a week ago, and fans blowing, which gets a little bit irritating, if you know what I mean. So I'm trying to keep my cool, and that literally and figuratively speaking. So we have 72 days of inventory, everybody. That's a wonderful, wonderful thing. Glad for that. I will be so happy to get back on my regular schedule because I feel a little out of it today. But there's 39% of the homes that are single family are 485,000 and under. We don't know really what the median price is going to end up being, but I would imagine it's going to be less than 485. It appears that way. So, but we have 2,670 homes in that price range, 39% of the market of the 8,777 homes. Do you believe we'd ever be saying 8,777 homes available? 72 days of inventory. I mean, it just blows me away how quickly the tide changes, right? And hopefully you all are ready for it. You know what? The $1 million homes are still going like 5 a day. Amazing. But that seems to be the sweet spot. Plus the investors are still selling 37 homes and buying 37 homes a day, I should say. Yeah. So amazing numbers here. We're doing 92 sales a day, which isn't too bad. Not too bad. Last year, we were doing 148. Oh, that was bananas. Multiple offers, clients not getting the homes they wanted, so on and so forth. And year to date, though, we're doing 121. So that's good. I like that number. You know, that's over 3,000 and like 3,500 a month. So I think that's healthy. Well, we're going to see some shifts. We just don't know exactly where. I see a lot of price reductions. I don't see the rents going down too much. We reduced a couple of our rentals because, people wanted to rent them really high, a little too high. They missed the sweet spot of the market. And then the market started to slow down a little bit. Now, the price isn't a bad price at this point. We modified it. However, there's not as many people out there jumping on those rentals. So that's slowed down a bit, probably in my opinion, because of July. That's my opinion. It's July. Usually this happens about this time of the year. So, but if your house is priced right, like if it's a bargain, it's in good shape and good areas that people like to live in based on their work and so on and so forth, it'll rent. But they're still renting within 30 days. So that's a good news. Anyway, I guess Jimmy's not going to join me today. We have a class today, and it's risk reduction. And Kane Tapp has created this class, and it's his debut day. And he's got quite a few people going to see his debut day. So I'm excited about that. And cybersecurity is quite an issue, and it becomes more and more so. And our own security of credit cards and all those other things go along with it, because when they start stealing your credentials, and they can do a lot of damage to your financial situation. Anyway, so Kane is going to enlighten us today. I am so excited to go see his class and be his monitor, sit in my little cockpit seat that I sit in, like with Jimmy.